Welcome to this new tutorial, and I will show you how to create a Seedbox in Amazon EC2 instance using Ubuntu server and torrent flux. First, we'll log in into our Amazon EC2 console. We give the username and the password and then click sign in. After the console opens, we then move to EC2. Now we have our EC2 console, and from here we have to select our region, that is our Asia Pacific. Then create an instance by clicking launch instance. Classic wizard, then continue. Then we select the Ubuntu server 12.04 LTS 64-bit. Select and then continue. Again we press the continue button, and this is as we provide a name to our instance, that is a BitTorrent. This is optional, you can give it or not. And then we download a new pair key which will be later used for security purposes and for login. This is a security setting and is a kind of firewall setting also. Then we launch our instance. Then our instance will take some time for its initialization, and after it passes all the checks, we can launch our instance. Then we go to the PuTTY download page and we download two tools, that is PuTTY and PuTTyGen. PuTTY is used to connect via SSH to a terminal, and PuTTyGen will be used to generate a key file for security. Then we open PuTTyGen. We load the key file provided by Amazon and convert it into a file type which is recognized by PuTTY, that is .ppk. Click on save. Yes. Give the same name as the name of the key pair you downloaded from Amazon. Save it. We then close PuTTyGen and open PuTTY. In PuTTY we go to SSH and then browse to auth and browse our security key file, that is ppk, in .ppk format, and then we give the IP address or the DNS name of our instance. Copy it and then paste it in PuTTY. We save our session for ease of connection. Next time we connect to this instance, save it and then we click open. The instance will now start. We log in first time using the Ubuntu, and voila, we are in the server. Now we update the repositories using the sudo apt-get update command. Then we install the WAMP package, the Apache PHP MySQL package. Click yes. Give a password for the root user. used for the database MySQL. Again we give a password for the root user for confirmation. Then we install phpMyAdmin. This is completely optional. It's your wish if you want to install it in your system or not. After we install phpMyAdmin, it will ask for the web server. We select Apache and then click OK. Click yes to configure the phpMyAdmin. Give the password for the administrative user of phpMyAdmin. Confirmation. phpMyAdmin is now successfully installed, and we can check it in the following steps. This is a check for the installation of web server, and it is successful since you can see the web server page. And this is the phpMyAdmin. It also opens. That means we have successfully installed the phpMyAdmin and the Apache package in our instance. Then we have to add some ports in the security groups to allow the torrent communications, so that the peer can connect and it can download the torrent. So we first go and select or basically see the security group, that is quick start 2. We can select see that, and then from the security groups we select quick start 2 inbound rules, and then add a port range. I have already added it, and you can add it by just giving the port range in the left hand side field, and then click add rule and apply changes. The port rule will be added to your security settings, or basically it's a firewall setting. That's it. After finishing, we can then proceed to install the torrent flux, which will be our torrent client in our instance, and we can install it by going to sudo apt-get install torrent flux. It's simple. Click yes, Y, OK. It will create a database for itself, and we can view it later by using the phpMyAdmin, and is used to store all the user details, the torrent links, etc. in the database for future use. Torrent flux is installed successfully. Then we log in into the torrent flux by /torrent flux, and then giving Ubuntu as username and the password we mentioned earlier. There is a settings page. You can just go through it, nothing to change here. And you can, as you can see, the port range is the port range we have already given in the firewall setting of the instance, so there should be no problem in downloading or uploading a torrent in the torrent flux. We go to home and then upload a test torrent to check if it's downloading or not. Choose file, then select the torrent file, and then click upload. Then we run the torrent. After a few seconds, we will see the torrent has started downloading, and it will finish in a few seconds since Amazon has a very fast connection. After it has finished downloading, we can also see that it's seeding or not. See, it's a peer connected is 1, and it's also seeding. That's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Hope you have learned something today. Thank you.